Welcome to this quick guide on using the email and SMS logs functionality in Nomi. This feature is available on the Agent Hub as well as within specific modules like bookkeeping, find accounts, self-assessment, and more. Let's walk through how to use it effectively. To get started, go to the Agent Hub or any module where you want to check the email logs, and you'll find the email log section here under Communication. Here you'll see the Sent Via option. You can select either email or SMS to filter emails sent through these channels, or you can select all. Filters make it easy to find any specific emails, so the content filler, you can type any word or phrase to find emails containing that text. The from and to filter, you can select the date range to see the emails sent during that period. And the status filter can have either sent or failed. Or the module filter. Sorting emails helps you organize your email log. You can sort the emails in ascending or descending order to quickly find what you need. This is for the agent dashboard communication, and it's the same for the business dashboard. So if we were to go into a company and click one, then we would also have the communication section up here just for the bookkeeping section. And that's how you navigate and use the email logs in Nomi. This feature helps you track communications efficiently across different modules. Thank you.